So a few of you have told me that you use the videos for the middle of your work day. So I thought I would just make one that you don't even have to get out of your desk for, because when you're at work, you blink and you've had 8 hours at your desk, and maybe you could put this in maybe once or twice in your day. Just takes 5 to 7 minutes, and I promise you it'll make you feel so much better. And the first thing I want you to do is just sit up lovely and tall on your seat. Let the shoulders relax back, lengthen through the back of the head, and just let whatever you're doing go out of your mind, just for this very short amount of time. You can get back to it. It's not going to take very long. But right now, tune the attention away from the outside and just in to the body. So maybe even close the eyes here. Relax the face. Just check where your head is. Is your head kind of habitually slumped forward? Try and get your head in line with your neck. Relax the shoulders down. I just want you to do a very gentle breathing exercise. So you're going to breathe in for a count of 6. And you're going to breathe out for a count of 8. With each out breath, just let every single muscle that feels tense in the body, just let it relax. And then you're going to let the chin drop down and do little half circles with the neck. So as you breathe in, you're coming out to the side, and as you're breathing out, you're coming back to the middle. Let the head come back to the centre. You're just going to lift up your right arm. You're going to take a hold of the elbow. You're going to lengthen up through the back, let the shoulders slide down, and just come over to the side, getting a lovely stretch in the side of the body. Big deep breaths into the side of the ribs. Come back, swap to the other side. Come back to the centre. I'm going to do some shoulder shrugs. So you're going to breathe in, you're going to bring the shoulders up towards the ears. You're going to breathe out, you're going to bring the shoulders down. Breathing in, bring the shoulders up towards the ears. Breathing out, bringing the shoulders down. Breathing in, bringing the shoulders up towards the ears. Breathing out, bringing the shoulders down. You're going to take one hand on the back of your desk, the desk of your seat. You're going to bring the other hand to the opposite arm. You're going to let the shoulders relax down. You're just going to follow that with your head. Imagine there's a piece of string right in the back of the head. You're lengthening up through the side of the body. Do both sides. So don't worry too much about the twist. It's much more about the length and the spine there. Come back to the centre and twist in the other direction. Come back to the centre, interlace the fingers, make sure the thumbs are facing down, and just bring them to the back of the head. Let the elbows come into your peripheral vision and just open up in the chest there, letting the back of the head relax into the hands. So you're not pushing the hands into the head, you're just letting the head relax into the hands. Come back to the centre. You're just going to kick your legs. Can't see it, but I am kicking my legs. Kick your legs, and we're just going to stand up, bring your hands on your hips, and you're going to do little hip circles too. Go back through the way. Reach the arms up over the head. I'm sorry you can't see me head, you're just going to have to imagine. Reach the arms up over the head, look up towards the ceiling, and bring the hands back down. Come to sit all the way back down. And you're going to breathe in, you're going to reach over to the side. Breathe out, come back to the center. Breathe in, reach over to the side. Breathe out, back to the center. Breathe in, reach over to the side. Out, back to the center. Last one. Breathe in, reach over to the side. Breathe out, back to the center. And you're just going to bring the backs of your hands together. And we're just going to go round with the hands. And as you do this, just notice the feeling of your hand touching your hand. Just tune into that sensation of the skin and the body, the physical sensation. And just give your hands a little stretch, fingers a little wiggle. Stretch their palms out in front, stretch out your fingers, give them a little shake. You're going to just let the palms face upwards on your knees. Let those shoulders relax down, close your eyes one last time. Tuning into your breath. As you're going to say to yourself, as I breathe in, I come back to this moment. And as I breathe out, I relax. And open your eyes. And hopefully you're feeling a little bit more centered, and the rest of your day will be even more productive. Woohoo! 7 minutes out of your day, and you have even more of a productive work day than if you just kept working. Namaste.